We have given rational fraction and we have to rewrite this fraction to sum of partial fractions. So first, what we need to do, we have to check the power of our numerator and denominator. In this example, we have t to second power and t to second power, so the power is the same, so we need to do long division. Our dividend is t squared and our divisor is t squared minus 4t plus 5. How we do long division? We have to concentrate only on the first terms. By what I have to multiply t squared to get t squared by 1. So now I have to multiply every term of our divisor by 1. 1 times t squared is t squared. 1 times negative 4t is negative 4t. 1 times 5 is 5. To write this in parentheses, and now we have to do subtraction. T squared minus t squared is 0, we don't have to write. And now when we don't have here any times, it's like 0 term with t and 0 constant. 0t minus, we have negative and negative giving positive, so 0t plus 4t is 4t. 0 minus 5 is 5. So when the power of our remainder is less than power of our divisor, we cannot do any more long division. We have to copy whatever we got on the top is 1 plus, and now we have to copy our remainder 4t plus 5 over our divisor is t squared minus 4t plus 5. And of course we have 0 minus 5, so here I should have negative 5. The same will be here. So we have the power of numerator is less than power of denominator. So next step, we have to try factorize our denominator. We have quadratic function, general form. How to do this? We can try to find two numbers which I multiply, and I will have 5, and when I add these two numbers I will have negative 4. But I cannot find these two numbers, so let's check discriminant. What is discriminant? This is b squared minus 4ac. And what is abc? When we have general form ax squared plus bx plus c, we see that a is coefficient before x squared, b is coefficient before x, and c is constant. So in our example we have unknown t, and coefficient before t is 1, invisible 1, so we can write a as equal 1, b is equal coefficient before t is negative 4, and c is constant 5. One more time, a is coefficient before t squared, b is coefficient before t, and c is constant. So our discriminant will be b squared, so we have negative 4 to second power minus 4 times a is 1 and c is 5. So this is equal negative 4, of course, to second power we have here is 16 minus 4 times 1 times 5 is 20, so we have negative 4. Discriminant is less than 0. What it means? We don't have real roots, so it means we cannot factorize our denominator. So we can rewrite that this is equal, we have to copy 1, and we have, let me write this one more time, 1 plus 4t minus 5 over t squared minus 4t plus 5. Because we cannot factorize our denominator, so it means that this is partial fraction of our original fraction. And this is my solution. We cannot do here anything.